How to change voice settings in ElevenLabs using your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are learning how to change the voice setting in your ElevenLabs account, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the ElevenLabs application on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, go ahead and select Open your recent project or create a new project where you want to change the voice settings on. Now, once you see the project, you will be able to see the voice option at the bottom. Tap on it in order to open up this Voices tab. From here, you can select default ElevenLabs voices, any of your saved voices, or from the popular voices category. Choose a different voice from the list and tap on it to play it, and then you'll be able to select the voice. Now to save the voice, click the check mark at the top right corner and then get back to this page. Click on the little slider button right next to your selected voices, and from the settings menu you can choose the model stability option. Speed up your voice, increase or decrease the stability, similarity, style exaggeration, and so on. And once you are done, click on Save in order to change your voice settings. If you want to learn more about the stability option, the lower stability means more emotional and expressive voice. Higher stability means smoother and more consistent voice. Similarly, when it comes to similarity, you can enhance your similarity. This will set how closely the output matches the reference voice. After you are done with tweaking these options, you can click Save to save your changes, and that's how you can easily change your voice settings in ElevenLabs. Now, once you are done, you can go ahead and click on Generate and listen to the preview. So that's how you can easily change the voice settings in ElevenLabs using your mobile device. With a little testing, you can create voices that sound more natural, professional, and unique. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.